Hey guys, Ride Pro back again. Here's another video of a bike we have for sale. This is a 2005 Honda Goldwing Trike. It is a 30th anniversary, all white, and it is a Hannigan Trike kit. And this package here actually comes with this trailer, which is also a Hannigan pull-behind motorcycle trailer. Really nice package altogether. Super clean. Believe it's a one owner. The only real scuff I saw was right here and right there. Otherwise it's in great shape. About 50,000 miles on it. Chrome wheels in the front and the back. Tires are good. Another little paint chip right here. And it has these the clear bra, which you can pull off. Has an ultimate seat. It's in great shape. Passenger armrest. The typical stuff. The reverse. It does have a Sirius radio wired up. $54,000 miles. Bike's in great shape. Again, chrome wheel on the front as well. Front tires in good shape. Bike needs nothing. It's ready to go. It has been serviced. If someone's interested in this bike without the trailer, just call us. We'll be happy to split the package up for you guys. Again, it's just a clear bra here, doing what it's supposed to do, protecting the body. Another little paint rub right here that I just noticed. Spoiler, the rear spoiler is an option. It's an added option, but otherwise, it's pretty much how they sell them. Of course, it's independent rear suspension on these Hannigans. Very nice bike, well maintained, low miles, and any questions about this one, guys, just give us a call. We're at 813-615-1700. Located in Tampa, Florida. We have discounted shipping rates available anywhere in the United States. And again, our website is www.myridepro.com. Thanks for watching.